Hey everybody, I'm Robert, the Zombie Bargain Hunter, and this is a mystery box opening for the Marvel Gamestop edition. I have what, 5, 10, 15, 17 boxes to open. I know I've been promising, uh, to open these for the longest time, but just been busy, and then they just got thrown in the corner, and I'm like, finally I'm tired of tripping on them, so it's like, let's just go, let's open these things. So I have 17 to open, looks like. Most of them I got, well, some of them I got at 20. A bunch of the other ones I got at 10. GameStop had another sale, so I had like, well, say 10, and then I bought 7 more, because, hey, for $10, what the heck. Alright, let's just get right into it. See what's going on in these things. I've had them just sitting here for the longest time. I actually bought a bunch of different ones. You can see Ghostbusters in the corner over there. The Ghostbusters one. I have Deadpool. I have 3 different Star Wars collectors. I have a Fallout one. A Batman. Old school Batman. Aquaman. I found I think it's a Harley Quinn one, Power Rangers, and last but not least I found a Caddyshack one. So I'm going to be having a bunch of these videos up, so please give the video a thumbs up if you enjoy these. Subscribe if you like different box openings, so I'll know if I should keep doing them or not. Because I mean, the boxes are expensive, but I get my money back when I sell them back on eBay, so it's not really that bad. But let me know if you enjoy these, and down in the comments let me know which box you want me to open next, because I have a bunch of them. Let's see how many chases we can get out of here, and let's get going. If I can figure out how to open the box. Oh, there's a Groot sticker. Hopefully the lighting's better. I switched the lighting all around, so hopefully you can see the box better than the last time I did a box opening. Let's see. What do we got? Glow-in-the-dark Groot? Yeah, I think the glow-in-the-dark ones are just as rare or rarer than the chase ones. I'm not positive. But out of the last box I opened, when I did the DC ones, I only got 1 box of glow-in-the-dark ones and 1 chase. So, who knows? Alright, we got the regular Groot. Let's see if I can show it to you. Alright, and... oh, cool, we got a cool black-red Deadpool. Let's see if we can get it without the glare. Alright, then... cool pin. Box number 1 down. 16 more to go. Yeah, where'd I put my... it's a little thread cutter, because I'm working on some toys over here. Replacing the batteries, opening them up, fixing them. Probably do a video of that soon too, but... alright, let's see what we got. Nope. That guy... oh, it's Deadpool. Cool. Got the little Deadpool glow-in-the-dark. Oh, get my finger out of there. Come on, I've done a few videos. Stop being a rookie. Let's go. Gold pin. Here's the pop. I have to figure out how much these guys are going for. They've been out a while. I mean, they put out these mystery boxes at around, well, before Christmas, and been a while since since then, so I haven't gotten to them. So I don't know if the pops have dropped or they've gone up. I don't know what's going on. I'll have to start looking these up and start putting them on. I mean, I love mystery boxes. They're always fun. If they're a mystery, like the Rick and Morty one, I was highly disappointed because it wasn't really a mystery. Everyone that opened the box got the same thing. And GameStop's doing a Pokemon one too, and it's not really going to be a mystery either, so I probably will not get it. We got this. Groot again. Oh, we got a chase. Nice. We got a Groot chase. And with the chase, we didn't even get glow in the dark or anything, so it just said these are random, which is cool. I like the randomness. I'd rather have it random than everything the same. And here's a different Pez. These should be going for decent money because they're different. You're not getting the same Pez out of every single box. At least so far. We're gonna find out. Still got a bunch of boxes to go. Alright, what's next? Ooh, we lost the stickers. Or sticker. Miles Morales. And oh, we lost the pin. Here's the pin. Spider-Man. Just Miles Morales Spider-Man. Get out of there. Ooh, don't want to damage him, but he didn't want to come out. Miles Morales, the last time I looked, was selling for a decent price. And like I said, I paid from 20 to 10 depending on when I got them. I mean, the pops alone are worth 10, so I'll at least get my money back on most of this stuff. That's another reason why I like mystery boxes. You get your money back. I mean, the different Pez and the keychains and everything. I mean, even if it's close, you get your money back. And it's fun. I mean, if I wanted to keep any of this... Oh, can't grab it. Oh, we got another glow in the dark and another Groot. Any different Pez guy? Nope, another black one. Alright, let's just leave him aside. No need to go through that again. We just saw that a few minutes ago. Ready? And I'm making a mess over here with all this plastic. Which always is fun. Clean up your house to make a mess. Oh, there we go. We've got the Chase Deadpool. Cool. Let's take him out of the box. Doesn't have his mask on. He's all nasty looking. Look at this. He's awesome. Get out of there. Look at this guy. This guy's sweet. Get the glare off the screen. There you go. What? And a red Deadpool. Pez. Other way. I'll figure it out eventually. Do enough of these videos. I'll figure out what I'm doing. Alright, what else do we have? Oh, we have a Deadpool pin. Cool. We got a Chase Deadpool and we got a Chase Groot so far. And I have a big mess of plastic right there. That's gonna suck cleaning. Groot. Same Groot box. Yep, pretty much. No need to take them out. Just leave them in there. Let's just put it aside. So I don't want this to be a 1,000-minute video. Let's try to keep it to 20. At the end, I'll show you the boxes I have over here. Let me know which, in the comments, what you prefer that I do next. Yeah, looks like I got a bunch of Groot stuff. Groot again, same everything. That's 3 of those already. That sucks. Yeah, I like Groot and all, but I don't want 100 of them. Alright, what's next? Come on, something good. Something different. And we got a Groot. Oh, good. At least it's a Groot, the Chase Groot. The pin. Is this sticker different? What's the other sticker? Oh yeah, they're different. There you go. There's that. And get out of there. Come on, don't damage the box. There he is. Oh, get the glare out. You see him? Trying to get that glare out of him. Yeah. Cool. And then we got the white Deadpool Pez. Yeah, second white Pez, Deadpool Pez that I got. Alright. What's next? What do we got? Oh, another Deadpool chase. Nice. All the same. Everything's the same. Same pin. Alright, let's just put them back in the box. Oh, they gave me 2 stickers. Cool. Looks like they messed up. Someone had sticky hands and just pulled 2 stickers. Throw it over there. We still have 6 more to go after this one. What do we got? Come on. Regular Deadpool. Whoop, I just killed him. And a blue Pez. Cool. Let's throw it back in the box. Let's see, what is next? I guess I didn't need that thing to open these boxes. Plastic's cheap enough, you just rip right through it without any problem, so that's cool. And what do we got? Deadpool again. Alright. Oh, what was the Pez? Didn't see. Oh, just a blue one again. Nah. Nothing to see here. Move on. Move on with your life. Next. If anybody wants to know, yes, I'm still listing video games. It's a long process. It's fun, but it's a long process. I bought thousands of video games. Another Miles. Yeah, still listing them. I'm on the end of the Switch games, so I will be done soon. I still gotta do more Vita games. I'm at the end of the Switch. I finished PS4 pretty much. I have like 5 more games that I found. But yeah, I'm done with the PS4 and they're selling great, so. Another Groot. Again, if you want to know how well they're selling, check out my What Sold videos. I put one up every single week. Come on. Open. And we have another Miles. Oh, we have a glow in the dark. One of these though. Cool. Focus. And the Pez is just the yellow one. Nothing special. 2 more to go. Come on, Chase. Let's find another couple chases at the last 2. That'd be great. Open. Chase something. Alright, we got Miles Morales. I didn't even know he had a chase. I guess everyone had a chase, huh? Deadpool, Groot, and yeah, I guess each one had a chase. That's cool. I tried not to watch the unboxing of anything because, I mean, it would ruin me doing this. Why? It'd be useless for me doing it if I watched the freaking unboxing. It's like, yeah, I know it's coming out. You can see they have the controllers in their hand. They're cool. Oh, it's a gray one. A gray one. Gray one. It's a gray one. I've got Gray and Deadpool together. It was a gray one. Alright, we got one more to go. It's already tearing. That must be open. Let's go. Come on, chase me. Uh-oh. Sticker fell out. Yep. Another Miles Morales and glow in the dark. That's all for the boxes. Let me show you what I have to open next, and let me know what box you prefer. I have the Ghostbusters, you can see here. These things are big. I got these. The first one's I bought for $25. The other 4 I got for $16. I found them at 70% off. One GameStop was closing at 70% off, so I got those. I also have these 3 different boxes of Star Wars Smuggler's Bounty. There's a yellow, a green, and an orange. Also, I have Deadpool. Deadpool Collector Core Mystery Box and Aquaman. I'm sure nobody will vote for Aquaman. Everybody hates Aquaman. Sorry, Aquaman, but it's the truth. Let me get this over here. This one's really intriguing. Look at this guy. Caddyshack. Look at that. That thing's awesome. I got a bunch of those. I got this girl. DC Bombshells. I got the Batman one. It's a classic TV show from Pop. Fallout one. And there's a Power Ranger one down there. I can't. It fell down below. But anyways, yeah. Let me know which ones in the comments that you want me to open next, and I'm gonna be doing a couple of these a week till I catch up and get them out of my house. I had to open them up and put them on the shelves because they're just bulky and they're just cluttering up the place. But anyways, please give the video a thumbs up. Subscribe if you're new. Don't fiddle fart around. Get your listings up. Take care, guys.